In this video, I want to help you understand the longs near lick and shorts near lick. This means longs near liquidation and shorts near liquidation. So we have access to the node through the API. You can read about the API at moondev.com/docs. Your API key that is powering the Quant app powers those API calls as well. There's some really neat stuff in there. But I want to go over the longs near lick and the shorts near lick section. What is it? How to use it? And yeah, so you can see here, these are the positions on Hyperliquid currently that are near liquidation. So you can see this BTC right here. He's 0.4% away from being liquidated. At the price of 99.09, if we go over here, that's about down here, he will be liquidated. And you can see Ethereum, there's somebody that will be liquidated. Then you can dive deeper into this and click into it and learn a bit more about their position, their fills, etc. here on this little website. Pretty cool. I can see their fills. I watch this constantly for traders I'm watching. Speaking of traders you're watching, you can see this guy, it says had 90M instead of his just address. That's because if you click on any of these, you can change the name. Change name, and you can track people, which is really cool because you'll start to see patterns. Now, I can't tell you patterns. I can't tell you what to trade or how to trade. I'm not a financial advisor, but I built these features in because I thought it would be very useful to start seeing the patterns of these whales. So far, so good. You can add notes to them if you want to talk some smack about them here, put them in the notes. You can also click this alert button and it will alert you every time they trade. So anytime this guy it says had 90M, anytime he trades, I get an alert up here. You'll probably see it throughout this time. So you can click on the name, change the name. You can click on the middle part here to change to get the deeper info. And then you can click on their liquidation level to set up a close or open on liquidations. Now I'm in a position right now, so it would be a close, but you can go ahead and close at licks. So at short licks here, I could pick his liquidation. This should be automated here, at least on the entry. When you click this number, it will go ahead and fill it out. You can see schedule short at that tick. So it's pretty useful. Again, this is a really, really early beta. So there's going to be bugs. There's going to be things that need to be ironed out. So please do let us know in the Discord. But yeah, these are the positions that are closest to being liquidated. And I find this a very interesting piece of data to look at, opposed to just trying to predict price. Me personally, I can't predict price. So instead, I'm just trading around these liquidations. There's this feature where you could say, hey, I only want to see BTC liquidations. Okay, that's probably pretty useful, right? Because if the Quant app currently only supports BTC, I kind of want to see BTC liquidations. But in my mind, I actually want to see everybody's liquidations, because I've seen times where the market makers, they're hunting a Ethereum liquidation that's a couple $1 million. This will change. I can't tell you how to look at the data. I can just tell you these are the top 50, and they update faster than anywhere else. You can't get access to this data anywhere else this fast. You can try to build it on Hyperliquid API, and it's going to be 20 times slower. That's it. We got direct access. And that API key you have that powers Quant app, it also has direct access to Hyperliquid's data layer. So use that key. Check out the moondev.com/docs. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of this longs near lick section and with this shorts near lick section. You can see your saved traders, the ones that you make a name for, you can see them here. And then you can track them over time. You can write notes as well. This guy's called Hype Bull Notes. So this is pretty neat. Being able to track whales over time and analyze their patterns has been helpful for me. Can't tell you how to trade, but I can give you the data that I'm looking at. And then here on the right side, this is tracking how many liquidations on Hyperliquid per 10 minutes, per 1 hour, per 4 hours, per 12 hours, per 24 hours. Now everybody's going to trade this differently. That's why markets are markets. They work, right? Somebody's always willing to buy, somebody's always willing to sell. So you could make a case to trade these liquidations either way. So I can't tell you how to trade this. I can just give you the data that I do have. This breakdown here, you see some liquidations. One person could say, yeah, I want to short this because it's going to keep going down. They could be right. In this instance, they were. But what if they did it down here? They weren't. So I don't know how to use the liquidation data. I think it's interesting data to look at. I've got my ways, but I'm not a financial advisor and I can't spread strategies or anything like that. But that's an overview of how I use the Hyperliquid node direct layer. It's a Hyperliquid data layer. You have the key for it. You can go to moondev.com/docs and understand the power that you have right now with that key. And if you don't have an API key, come to one of the private streams and I might drop one. I want to share it with the community, the people on the inside. If you have any questions, let me know inside of the Discord. But this was a short overview of the longs near lick and shorts near lick and the hyper liquidated. I'm excited to see what you build.